Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol SDC, which is for Smile Direct Club, and most probably you have seen this ticker symbol because nowadays people are talking a lot about SDC because they think there might be a short squeeze potential, and I saw many big YouTubers now they are also covering SDC. That is why I'm making this video, because I think you need to know what is happening. So in this particular video, I want to talk about the support, the resistance, the short interest ratio, one Reddit article, and few other things. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, do not forget to join my Patreon community. We have a Discord where we talk about a lot. As an example, ticker symbol DATS. Last Friday the alert came in the morning, we were up by 26%. We had ticker symbol AEHR 15% up. So many trade ideas, support, resistance, so that we can all make some money. If you want, join my membership. So in US dollar it is only $9 per month. Also, if you want, you can join my YouTube community, which is only $5 per month, and you will get daily trade ideas. So let's go back to STC. Looking at the chart, we can see that the chart has been, maybe I can go on a daily chart here just to show you how. So it was at one point around 20, came down, went up, came down, went up. So there is definitely some kind of resistance around 15. So that is one thing. The other thing I want to show on a big picture, this is a daily chart, right? So on a daily, you can see it has been coming down consistently. Even within the channel, you can make day trading or swing trading because you can see how volatile, but the overall direction it is coming down. At the same time, the all-time low was around 3.92. At one point it came back to 4.5, went up, and again it is currently sitting at 6.6. but the thing is, maybe it will break the downtrend, go on the right side, of the upper side of the blue line, it will go up, or there is a possibility it will come down again. In the stock market, there is no guarantee, you never know what can happen, but this is why we look at the technicals, this is why we make some trading plan. So before I talk more about the chart and everything, let's look at something else. So first of all, most probably you know the Reddit pump Wall Street bets. So there is a website, they talk about different ticker symbol and it tracks. So you can see number one is SDC. With lots of green is like positive sentiment, red is the negative sentiment, and neutral, but it is the most talked stock on Reddit. So you can see this is at number one. Maybe it will make you excited. If you go to SDC Nasdaq, you can see it has a price rating of hold with the big names. You can see the average price target is 7.44 with a high of 11 and a low of 4. So there is some wiggle room you can play, but this price target is for 12 months. Keep that in mind. Looking at the volume, you can see some big volume came, then it reduced, again volume is picking up. Big volume is needed to move this particular one. If you look at last Friday's option activity, 77% options were call options, only 23% was put options. So people are betting big or the positive uptrend. That is why people are thinking, so they are loading call option. If you look at the option activity, you can see lots of call options, like in this area they were open and they are now in the money. So it means that they will be executed, right? There will be more buying pressure. So let's look at the next call option, which is for 15th of October. You can see that 21,000 open interest for 6 strike price, 21,000 for 7 strike price, 15,000 for 8 strike price, 16,000 call option for 10 strike price. These are all open interest. So they might be betting big on SDC, and the call options are not really that expensive. So you can see these call options are only $30 for one call option. This one is only $17. So if you want, you can take you can participate, right? If you want, you can also take longer time frame with November time frame, and in that case you will see this is very interesting. If you look at November expiry call option, you can see for 10 strike price there are 25,000 open interest with a volume of 5,000. Very exciting. And the call option will cost only $43. So again, if you want, take time, spend $43 and participate in the run. So anyway, the other thing is here I want to show you. Let me quickly. So there is an article I found, it came 4 days ago, that SDC, the next meme stock, the potential and why it will join GME and AMC. Anyway, go there and read it. It will take some time. I'm not gonna go through everything, but it says about the management favors retail, then the fundamentals, everything, so many things. So anyway, let's come back here. The float, shorts here and everything. So they are talking about 50% short interest, right? And it has a float of 100 million, meaning that half of it is like 50 million is short. So if you need to move it, you have to move 50 million and so many things. But anyway, if you want, read it. I do not want to take a lot of time to read the entire thing, but it shared a chart with the short interest ratio, and it is 4 days ago. I do not know about the latest, but what I see here, it has 46% short interest. And the most important thing what I see here, the cost to borrow is 253% average with a max of 324%. These numbers are really big. And why big? That post talks about it. Let's have a quick look. So for $6 per share, the shorts, right, that's a $229 million on the line, because 50% are shorted, right? So over a $1/4 billion they are having to pay over 250% CTB. So as long the cost to borrow is high, the amount of share they're shorting, they have to pay some interest. So that is why the cost to borrow is so important, that this is higher. So as long the share price is staying the same or going higher, they have to pay more and more money. And that is why if there is more volume, then there is always a chance for short squeeze. Anyway, the last one, if I go to Fintel, I see 28.3% on dark pool short interest ratio. Is not letting me to see the latest here, but if I scroll down, there is only 300,000 shares are available to short. The short borrow rate, I don't know why Fintel is showing something different, but anyway, let's go back to the chart. So this is the daily chart. First of all, if you look at daily chart, you can see it has been coming down consistently, but there is the opportunity for going up. Now I'm gonna move to hourly chart now, and if you see the same trend, if you want, you can see the same trend here. So I'll just get rid of these two lines for now, because we know there is a downtrend. This is not important. What I want to draw some lines here if you really want to trade. So first of all, let's draw some support and resistance. So I see some support in this area, very obvious. I see some support around this area. I also see some resistance around this area, and let's find something maybe around this area, $10-11. So definitely there is more room to go up, but for now I'm just looking at these areas. So the current price is around 6.6, so which was a previous support, then it became a resistance here. It went through the resistance to 7.6, came down, and currently we are sitting at 7.6. If we can maintain 7.6 as a support, I think the next resistance we will have 7.6, these areas. But after 7.6 I'm more interested, because if it can go over 7.6, you see from here all the way to $10, there is a 31% movement potential. So that is what I'm eyeing on, because if there is lots of volume and if there is some kind of short squeeze or anything, that will be a big trade. So that is why I'm recommending to add SDC to your watch list. After that, if it goes to $10, I see some area to $11, then I have $12, then definitely there is $14. But let's think about from $6 to $10. In case it comes down, I see some support around $6, because you see some kind of support around $6. So we have to watch and see. The final thing, I want to go back to a 15-minute chart, and I want to see how things are moving. So you see it went up, came down, went up, came down, and currently sitting here. Depending on the market, it can come down again. Maybe it can come down to 6.4, or who knows, to $6. If you want to wait for a pullback, maybe wait for 6.4 or $6, get your position and then ride the wave up. On the other hand, if you want some kind of confirmation, maybe wait for this to bounce off that 6.6, then maybe it will come back to 6.6 again, or it might not. So from 6.6 to 7.6, let's see what is the profit potential. This is also not bad, 15%. So even if you enter at 6.6 with a tight stop loss, from 6.6 you can go to 7.6 for a 15% profit potential. On the other hand, if it goes over 7.6, I see a big potential. So very exciting. That is why I'm making this video. I'm bringing this to your attention. If it pulls back, monitor and enter at a bottom support, or if it goes up, just look at the levels and participate, because this one is looking really nice. If you go to Reddit, short squeeze potential, those kind of thing, you will find SDC. And also I showed you the chart, right? SDC at number 1. So if there is lots of volume, definitely this thing will fly and it will go higher and higher. So very exciting, right? And the final one I want to see, let's go a daily chart. So regarding the all-time low, there are some areas around $4, some areas around $5, and also some area I just talked about $6. So who knows, but if the trend is continuing, maybe it will reject it here and it will come back down, because initially I showed you 2 blue lines that it is coming down. But maybe this is the time it will break the downtrend, it will go higher. That is why I'm very pumped up and I'm very excited. So anyway, I will make more videos. The other videos I think I will make tonight or tomorrow is ticker symbol TATS, which is looking very exciting. It was really up 26%, but I think this one will even run more. So I'm just looking at the lines. Maybe there is another potential for 50% up, who knows. Anyway, if you want this kind of video, please do not forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button. At the same time, try my membership, join my Discord, see some trade ideas, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.